I'm making a ball holder for my freestyle soccer ball so that I can hang it on the outside of my bag just like I do with my water bottle. Stick around to the end as I'm giving one away. Let's do it. So my holder is custom to this size 4 freestyle ball by Senda. I got mine on Amazon. I'll provide a link below in case you want to check it out. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a review video on this ball, maybe even compare it to other popular balls like the 4 Freestyler one. I've looked at some online for design inspiration and decided to make mine very minimal and all black. I'm using 4 vertical straps and 1 horizontal strap. The straps are made of nylon. Here you see me cutting some guide holes in an inefficient manner since I didn't have the best tools for the job yet. The holes are to guide the rivets, which are how I'll fasten the straps together, and around a few O-rings. Cut nylon wants to fray, so to prevent that I'm running a small flame by the edges to melt the fibers. Already you might be able to tell a mistake I made in making the vertical straps twice as long as they needed to be, so I'll adjust those down to the right size. The hammering indoors was annoying my new puppy, so I took things outside the next day. Here you can see a few new tools I added to make the project go smoother. A fine hole punch will make a faster and cleaner job of cutting guide holes for the rivets, and these special rivet setting tools make hammering that much easier. I'll include a parts list for this stuff in the description as well for those of you who want to make your own. And here we have it, my own DIY ball holder, complete with a carabiner for easy maneuvering and clasping onto anything you want. Let me know what you think of the look and design in the comments, and stick around for some demos as well as information on the giveaway. For those of you wondering, the water bottle is by a company called Mobot, and this is the largest option, the Big Bertha model. I already clasped that on the outside of my bag whenever I'd travel. The ball I'd have to deflate and put inside of my bag, which took up a lot of space, and I was annoyed with inflating and deflating it all the time. So, voila, here we have a solution. I'm quite happy with how this turned out, especially for my first time making one.